Let me quickly go across to Piyush. For all that is happening in the national capital, Piyush, the good news being that no new death has been reported in the last 24 hours in the national capital, though the number of cases continue to rise. Also the number of containment zones. If you could take us through all of that, please.
Well, yes, Christine, like Anuj is also pointing out that borders have been sealed, and that's because of the rising cases those are taking place in national capital. If we talk about the number of cases, there are around 3,314 cases those have till now been reported in national capital. But what is sign of relief here is that 1,078 cases have been recovered, means for 1,078 people have been recovered, but 52 people have also passed away. So these are the data which we are picking. If we talk about the containment zone, yesterday itself the government had identified one more zone, which means that the total number of hotspot containment zones now reaches to 100, which somewhere is a worrisome situation. Though the government is keeping a tight vigil, all the containment zones have been completely sealed. What is more worrisome situation here is that the cases are coming in inside the periphery of these hotspot zones. So this is somewhere a worrisome situation for the government. And looking at that, LG yesterday had issued an order in which he asked for mini containment zones to be created inside the big containment zones. So that's how the government is working on. 3,314 cases have been reported. Maximum cases have been reported from central Delhi, which means that around 184 cases are there. Maximum cases are there in central Delhi, and the government is keeping a tight vigil on this. What we are picking is that today there could also be another level of meeting between the top officials of Delhi government and health ministry. Again, the situation will be assessed, and then press conference of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will be there, and then he will detail about as to what would be the plan of national capital and how to contain the spreading of this virus. Like Anuj is also telling that borders have been sealed. Not only Noida DM, but also government of Haryana. Even they have expressed their concern that the people who are coming from Delhi to Haryana, going from Delhi to Haryana, because of this travel, the cases are increasing in Haryana also. So both the governments, be it Uttar Pradesh government, Noida DM, and also Haryana government, they have expressed their concerns, stating the fact that because of Delhi, the cases are increasing. In Delhi, like I already pointed out, that 3,314 cases have already been reported. But sign of relief here is that 1,078 cases have been recovered. So recovery is also taking place, and the government is keeping a strict vigil on all the developments. Containment zones have been increased. There are 100 number of containment zones, and many containment zones are also being made in these big hotspot zones. Christine.
Yes, absolutely. And as far as the situation from across the country is concerned, the recovery rate continues to shoot up. Shantashi also joining us from the national capital. But before that, what we were flashing on our television screens, what's worrisome is that three states, namely Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, are recording 701 deaths. Out of the 1,007 deaths which have been reported so far, it is these three states which remain the worst affected, constitute 69.6% of the deaths across the country.